Ever wondered how a lawyer turned into one of the most influential investors of all time and the right-hand man to Warren Buffett? Welcome back to the Investor's Compass, where today we explore the life and wisdom of Charlie Munger, the intellectual powerhouse behind Berkshire Hathaway. His journey from a small-town lawyer to a billionaire investor is not just an account of financial success, but a lesson in lifelong learning and rational thinking. Today, we'll guide you through 5 defining chapters in Munger's life: early life and career struggles, meeting Warren Buffett, the rise of Berkshire Hathaway, the Munger investment philosophy, and philanthropy and legacy. Fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the mind of this investment luminary. Early life and career struggles. Born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1924, Charlie Munger showed signs of brilliance from a young age, but he also faced his share of adversities. After a stint in the U.S. Army Air Corps, Munger went to the University of Michigan and then Harvard Law School. Yet, his beginnings were humble, often juggling jobs to pay for his education. Initially, Munger worked as a lawyer, setting up his own practice. While he was reasonably successful, it was clear that law was just a stepping stone for bigger ambitions. During this time, he dabbled in real estate and other investments, building a modest yet diverse portfolio. These early years laid the foundation for Munger's multidisciplinary approach to life, signifying that intellectual curiosity and hard work often paved the way for future success. Meeting Warren Buffett. In 1959, destiny played its hand when Munger met Warren Buffett at a dinner party. The two immediately bonded over their shared love for investment and business. This meeting wasn't just the start of a lifelong friendship, but a transformative partnership in the world of finance. Buffett recognized Munger's intellect and multidisciplinary approach as invaluable, and in 1978, Munger became the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. He may not have been in the spotlight as much as Buffett, but his influence on the company's investment strategies is absolutely unmistakable. The rise of Berkshire Hathaway. When Charlie Munger joined Berkshire Hathaway as its vice chairman in 1978, the company was primarily known as a textile manufacturing entity. Munger's influence was instrumental in reshaping the investment philosophy and direction of the entire company. One of Munger's most enduring impacts on Berkshire Hathaway was his advocacy for diversification into other industries and high-quality businesses that had robust moats, competent management, and strong cash flows. It was Munger who strongly influenced Buffett's decision to invest in established brands like Coca-Cola and See's Candy. These investments have since become legendary, earning many times over the initial capital invested. Munger introduced the concept of a lattice of mental models to Berkshire's decision-making process. The multidisciplinary framework enabled them to evaluate investment opportunities not just from a financial standpoint, but also through the lens of psychology, economics, and even philosophy. This made their investment process uniquely robust and accounted for factors that most purely financially driven analyses would have missed. Another hallmark of Munger's impact is the emphasis on long-term value creation over short-term gains. He was always vocal about avoiding the quick buck and speculation. This long-term perspective allowed Berkshire Hathaway to hold on to their investments through market volatility, reaping the rewards of compound interest and sustained business growth. Under the guidance of both Buffett and Munger, Berkshire Hathaway expanded its reach by acquiring entire companies, transforming from a textile manufacturer into a massive conglomerate. The acquisitions span multiple sectors, from insurance businesses like Geico to railway company BNSF to utility companies like Mid-American Energy. Munger's intellectual rigor played a pivotal role in identifying these acquisition targets and successfully integrating them into the Berkshire family. The Berkshire Hathaway annual shareholders meetings, often termed the Woodstock for capitalists, became a platform where both Buffett and Munger shared their wisdom. Munger's candid, insightful, and often witty commentary became a highlight, helping to build a community of followers and investors who subscribe to their long-term, value-oriented investment philosophy. The result of all these strategic moves and investment philosophies has been nothing short of phenomenal. From 1978 clear to the present, Berkshire Hathaway's stock has outperformed the S&P 500 multiple times over, generating enormous wealth for its shareholders. As of now, the company holds a market capitalization that makes it one of the most valuable publicly traded companies in the world. Munger may not have been the public face of Berkshire Hathaway, but he was undoubtedly its intellectual spine. His guidance helped steer the company through multiple economic downturns, regulatory challenges, and industry shifts, solidifying its reputation as an investment behemoth. The Munger Investment Philosophy. Munger is not just an investor, he's a thinker. His investment philosophy goes beyond financial metrics, diving deep into psychology, economics, and even philosophy. He's known for his mental models, frameworks for thinking that synthesize knowledge from various disciplines. His pragmatic wisdom often stresses the virtues of patience, rationality, and long-term thinking, making him a seminal voice in value investing. His approach is a masterclass in avoiding the pitfalls of human bias and emotional decision-making, and honestly, it has become essential reading for any aspiring investor. Philanthropy and Legacy. Success in finance is just one aspect of Munger's life. He's also a noted philanthropist, contributing to educational and social causes. His philosophy isn't just about making money, it's about making a meaningful impact. As Munger steps back from active management, his legacy remains etched in the annals of investment history. He's not just a man who made wise investments. He is a beacon for how to lead a life well-lived, underpinned by continuous learning and moral integrity. Charlie Munger's life is a testament to the power of rational thought, a multidisciplinary approach, and an enduring partnership. He did not just accumulate wealth. This man accumulated wisdom, and he shared it generously. And there you have it, fellow navigators. This concludes our journey into the life and philosophy of Charlie Munger. If you found value in today's exploration, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with those interested in the intricate tapestry of finance and investment. Make sure to subscribe to the Investor's Compass for more insightful journeys into the world of high-stakes decision-making.